All right. So going back to our presentation, um, yan. So so Skype, no, yung kanina, you can download via Google app or in Mac or App Store in Apple. So ganito yung itsura niya. So I'm sure gets nyo na yung video kanina. Skype is 100% working in the Philippines. Now there are other tools that I can show you. To be honest, I'm not sure if these are working in the Philippines based on my research and based on the virtual assistants that I know that are working in the US because I have students also in the other parts of the world. I'm going to show you this one. This is called Text Now or Text Plus. So these are also free. You get to have a free phone number, free calls to US and Canada. Tapos, you can at least send a message once a month so that you do not lose your number. Pero wala kang babayaran, okay? Your number kasi can be taken away if you are not active in the app. So, gamitin mo lang siya kahit isang beses sa isang buwan. Now, I'm gonna show that to you. Ito yung Text Now. Ganito yung itsura niya. So, textnow.com. You can log in. Tapos, ganun din yung Text Plus. Ngayon, since I am in the Philippines, to be perfectly transparent, when I tried to log in, let's say for example, log in using Facebook, hindi siya naglo-load. I'm not sure if this is working in the Philippines kasi I researched also in Google. It looks like it is naman. Pero like I said, look at this one. No? I tried that. I tried continue with Google and I also tried continue with Apple. It didn't work. So probably hindi. But since we have students also all over the world, people who are also in the United States, you can use this if you are in that location. I also haven't tried using VPN using this tool, so you might want to try it as well and let me know. Please advise me kung gumana sa inyo to. But this is one alternative to Skype that we can all use. Another one is the secondline.co. So same thing, you can download free on Google Play. Hindi ko although tinry ko rin kanina pero parang hindi rin siya hindi ko alam kung sa internet ko or what not. Pero balikan ko kayo dito ha. And then for all of you who are in the US, let me know if this is working for you. Sa mga nasa Canada, ganyan, let me know if this is working. And if you are in the Philippines, try this too. But yeah, let me know the feedback. Okay, ako kasi naka-iPhone, naka-Apple ako. So, walang download sa App Store, Google Play lang. So, yan yung mga options natin. So, Text Now, secondline.co, and then another one that I can suggest that you use when you are calling out in the US or all over the world, you can also use the Google Hangout. Yan, so hangouts.google.com. I also used this many years ago when I was a freelancer. You can use Google Hangouts to call in US and Canada. So, parang siyang Zoom. Pero nasa Google. So, part siya ng Google. Ayan. So, you can use video and voice calls to Hangout users also for free. All right. So, now let's go ahead and talk about the online recorders that you can use for your sample recording. I'm gonna cut this video para hindi siya mahalo because that topic is solely for additional voice calls. On the next video, let's go ahead and talk about the online recorders that you can use.